All right, I'm trying something unique today that I've never tried. What I want to do is I want to record myself singing a little bit of a song and then use that as a cover, part of the cover feature in Suno. And then I'm going to take that cover once it's in Suno and use a persona to then shape the sound of it in a very specific way, in a way that I already know the singer's voice and I already know the vibe of the song and stuff. I'm going to map all that using a persona onto my cover. I don't know if it's going to work. I've never done this before, but let's try it. Sunlight's breaking through the curtains. Coffee in the air, it's warm. You smile and say, let's chase the shoreline. A lazy summer's perfect form. Flip-flops by the doorway. Keys and laughter in your hand. The world can't wait another day. It's just us and the sand. It's all good. It's all good. It's so good. It's all good. It's all good. It's so good. Sunday morning, just me and you. It's all good. It's all good. It's so good. All right, so that was cringe. I know it was pretty bad, but that's okay. We don't care too much about the performance because Suno's really good at forcing this to fit the key, forcing this to fit the style, and all these other things. So let's take this. I'm going to bounce this track over to the desktop, and we still need the lyrics because we're going to copy these in for when we make when we use the persona. But first, let's go to Suno now. All right, go to the Create tab, and we're going to click this audio button. We're in Custom 4.5. I'm on the Pro plan, but let's click Audio, Upload, and let's see. I gotta go to my desktop here, and it's all good. There we go. Upload. And I know this is the right one. I'm not going to even play it. Let's hit save. Cover, continue. Now this will be put up into our list of available tracks, basically. So we've got my chunk of audio in here, and we're going to clear out these lyrics because we want to put, this is only the lyrics of the part that I sang. So let's clear that out, and let's go to the original lyrics and copy the whole thing. Copy, come back, and paste everything in. All right, so now we got everything in. And for style, well, actually, let's add a persona now. And I'm gonna do the West Coast chill pop. All right, we're gonna select that as our style. And when I selected that from the persona list up here, it took the West Coast persona and popped it into the style area down here. So now let's see what happens. We've got the full lyrics, the style I want, and the melody that we created earlier from the digital audio workstation session we did. So let's see what on earth happens here. I'm going to do 4 of these. It's going to take a few minutes. I just want to hear the beginning so I can match it up when the next song plays. Hold on. Okay. Sunlight's breaking through the curtains. Sunlight's breaking through the curtains. Every time I re-sing it, I'll probably do a little better. But hopefully Suno can understand kind of what I was going for with that rough take. All right, so let's play this first one. Do 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 do. Sounds close.
Sunlight's breaking through the curtains. Oh yeah. Coffee in the air, it's warm. Smells so sweet. You smile and say, let's chase the shoreline. Let's go. A lazy Sunday's perfect form. Come on, come on. Flip-flops by the doorway. Slip 'em on. Keys and laughter in your hand. Let's ride. The world can't wait another day. It's just us and the sand, just us. It's all good. It's all good. It's so good. So good. It's so good. It's so good. It's so good. It's so good. Sunday morning, just me and you. Just me and you. It's all good. It's all good. Sing along. The ocean's glimmer slowly rising.
Okay, so I think I took so long singing the chorus that it didn't know what to do. So it cut it into two pieces and it made the second half of the chorus almost like a verse 2. And then after it got done, I don't know where it went to. So this original track that I made up here may be a little slow. I might have to redo it to try this out to get it to work better. Let's try the next one. But this is using two powerful features in Suno back to back.
Sunlight's breaking through the curtains. Oh yeah. Coffee in the air, it's warm. Smells so sweet. You smile and say, let's chase the shoreline. Let's go. A lazy Sunday's perfect form. Come on, come on. Flip-flops by the doorway. Slip 'em on. Keys and laughter in your hand. Let's ride. The world can't wait another day. It's just us and the sand. It's all good. 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 It's all good.
They sped it up a little bit.
Sunday morning, just me and you. It's all good. It's all good.
Nice.
Windows down, the breeze is singing. Radio hums our favorite tune.
Okay, so it should repeat all the same melody characteristics from verse 1 and pre-chorus and chorus into verse 2, pre-chorus and chorus. And through the rest of the song, really. I didn't do a bridge, so it's going to come up with its own bridge each time for each of these examples. But then at the final chorus outro, it should be patterned after the normal chorus again. Typically, that's what Suno seems to do when it uses when it uses the audio, the uploaded audio that we give it. So, but I've never tried it with adding the feature of doing a persona on top of an uploaded piece. So that's really cool. What I'm thinking of doing is, that was West Coast chill pop. I'm going to skip that one and I'm going to jump over to I don't know, something else. Let's try laid back modern rock. Ultra modern upbeat. Let's just do Los Angeles smooth. Okay, I'm going to do two of these using Los Angeles smooth. And while we wait, I'm just going to listen to the first part of this again. Sunlight's breaking through the curtains. Coffee in the air, it's warm. You smile and say... Let's listen to the third one. This copied a lot from the original song that I made with this.
breaking through the curtains. Coffee in the air, it's warm. Smells so sweet. You smile and say, let's chase the shoreline. A lazy Sunday's perfect form. Flip-flops by the doorway. Keys and laughter in your hand.
So that was interesting. The original song that I made, they used almost the same identical intro. So that was really interesting. Then they kind of shoehorned my melody into the chords and stuff from their original song, from the original Persona song. So that's interesting. All right, and let's listen to this fourth one here. Characteristics of the original, for sure.
Sunlight's breaking through the curtains. Oh yeah. Coffee in the air, it's warm. Smells so sweet. You smile and say, let's chase the shoreline. Let's go. A lazy Sunday's perfect form. Come on, come on. Flip-flops by the doorway. Slip 'em on. Keys and laughter in your hand. That's right. The world can wait another day. No rush. It's just us and the sand. Just us. It's all good. It's so good. It's so good. So good. So good. It's so good.
So Suno, after the first one, where it kind of broke it up into the chorus into 2 lines from the chorus, and then the second 2 lines from the chorus, they made it almost a second verse. After that first song, it seems like Suno realized that it needed to just speed up my version of the chorus, so it would fit in a normal 16 bars or whatever. So that's cool. That's cool. That way I don't have to re-sing the chunk of music again to get it to fit better.
It's so good. It's so good. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sunday morning, just me and you. It's all good. It's all good. It's so good. Windows down the.
Okay, so here we're going to try the Los Angeles smooth jazz funky bass persona. So let's try a different persona now and see if the characteristics of my melody come over. A little jazzier.
Sunlight's breaking through the curtains. Oh yeah. Coffee in the air, it's warm.
One thing I'll say about both of these personas, I was hoping that the original vocalist sound of the vocalist in the original personas would also transfer over. I'm not sure if that is happening in this case. The vibe is still there. The vibe is still the same, but because I'm using my voice, maybe my voice has, my timbre has some influence over the timbre that's chosen for the persona. So keep that in mind. If you need to have the timbre sound identical in the persona, using a persona, it may not sound exactly like the same singer. Which, if you're trying to make an album with one, singer's voice, this technique might not be the best way to go, unless you are supplying all the chunks of audio for each song. You're doing the first verse and the first chorus, or the first verse, pre-chorus, chorus, and you're giving that audio chunk to Suno each time. then maybe your influence, the timbre that's influencing Suno's choice will carry over across multiple songs. I don't know, because I've just done this one time. We're doing it live. I don't know. This is something to try, though. It could be cool. It could be your signature sound, actually. You know, you would do your voice plus the persona's characteristics, and however those two meld is going to be kind of like a third, you know, thing that comes out of the mixture of those two. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Let's just listen to this last one.
Sunlight's breaking through the curtains. Oh yeah, coffee in the air, it's warm. Smells so sweet.
It could be doing that, where it's blending my voice timbre with the timbre of the original and coming up with a hybrid, which is cool, because those last two songs from that same genre sounded very similar. So keep that in mind. All right, well, that's what I've got for you. I hope this was of interest to you, because it opens up a whole new level of customization within Suno by combining multiple tricks that Suno can do in one song. Bringing in the audio, and then bringing in the audio, making it a track, and then on that track, selecting a specific persona to then reintroduce the characteristics of that old track that you do like. So it gives you more precision, and it's just another tool in the tool belt, I guess. The combination of elements. Yeah, I might have to look for more of these combinations. All right, but that's it for now. I'm Sam Meets AI. So like and subscribe if you want. Otherwise, I will maybe see you later, or maybe not. I don't know. Bye.